if you know the councillor who represents you, if you get in touch with them, normally councillors have like synergies or meetings per month. You can go there and meet physically, face to face or online, whatever the medium of exchange, and you can ask question. If you have an issue with it, will be benefits for you at the end of the day. If you have an issue with the school, if you have an issue with the bin collection, whatever, it's a small tiny issue or a large issue, it's about safety, in touch with the police or the local authorities, we are always happy to help.